The Mineless Heritage Restoration Project by DIVOOE ZEIN Architects in Taiwan. Mineless, located in the mountains and forests of Baiji Section in Sanxia District, New Taipei City. Mineless is a reformed space that was once a logistical facility for the Chungyi Coal Mine. Remnants, the original structures of the mining facility, were scattered throughout the wilderness, including the administrative offices, mine entry remnants of Japanese colonial era, a crane base, coal washing areas, miners' dormitories, a cafeteria, a bathhouse, and more. Since Taiwan ceased all mining activities in 2000, these industrial buildings have remained abandoned. Function: within the facility, various areas have been repurposed for the following functions, including the preserved building of Remnants, a wild herb tea shop, a small theater, a natural herb tea aroma room, an art exhibition area, a grand hall for meditation, and a seating area for tea with trees root in the sky. Mineless aims to integrate contemporary uses into ancient and decaying functional spaces, creating rich and vibrant scenes. Restoration: the restoration of the main buildings focuses on the structure, electrical systems, waterproofing engineering, restoration of the original appearance, craftsmanship in producing handmade vintage furniture, and the use of native plants for landscaping, etc. These efforts employ a series of reversible methods that are harmless and friendly to historic buildings. They bridge and harmonize the differences between new and old objects in the space. The primary materials used in the restoration are black iron with an oil shell-like luster and recycled old wood. The aging rust and weathered textures of these materials, in harmony with the original architectural style, coexist seamlessly with the restoration of the structure, functional use, and historical flavor. Grotto Heaven: after 3 years of meticulous research, analysis, preservation, planning, and construction, the existing space has been reorganized and redefined. In the midst of this beautiful space, we aspire to create a sanctuary for human connection with oneself, tranquility, history, and nature within the remnants of the mountainous coal mine.